Hi guys, it's me, Zoe-Anna, and today we will be making peri-peri sauce. And if you like spicy, this is the type of sauce for you. So as I said, we are making peri-peri sauce. So let's do this cooking thing. Woo! So as we see, we need our ingredients: red onions, ginger, red peppers, garlic, chilies, paprika, lemon juice, lime juice, vinegar, olive oil, oregano, black peppers, and salt. After that, we want to blend them all together. And when it becomes smooth, we'll take it out, put it into our pan, and we'll cook it for 50 minutes. Then it's done. Simple. Very simple. It's a very simple recipe indeed. And I can tell you a quick fact about this peri-peri sauce. That this is a Portuguese recipe that is served in a restaurant called Nando's, and it's really good. If you want to try yourself, whip up the ingredients, make it. It's easy. Really easy. How do you think my mom made it? It's easy. Just try it. If it doesn't go well, just always do it again. The thing about recipes is about just trying your best to make them. So then, you already know what I said, so I don't even have to explain it. So make sure to like and subscribe too, because we want to get a lot of subscribers. Because, after the reading thousands of times, but I'm only, 8 years old, as you know. And I really want a lot of subscribers and people to support me and my mom. So please subscribe for the little cat and girl. Please. Pretty, please. Okay, that's enough pleasing. And as you see, our food is made. Very easy. Just look at it. Isn't that looking so good? Don't you see it? And then your mouth just waters. And one more extra thing, that we will be making this with some chicken. So make sure to stay tuned so you can see how we make the chicken and how we make it with the peri-peri. See you later, alligators. I'm gonna have a nap now. Bye.